Sasa
ndio
ulikuwa unasema
mimi naona Saikati ametosha kuelewa. Naona yeye mzee mrembo. Natamani kila kijana natamani yeye. Kwa hiyo mzuri mimi naona yeye kijana chibu iko bali mingi.
Lakini mzee Saikati bado mtoto na yeye bado yuko kwa shule. Kama yeye anasoma ataleta faida kwa maisha yake na nyumba yake. Sasa sisi tukisema aolewe na yeye bado mtoto, hii maneno itakuwa namna gani?
Na yeye ng'ombe yote mingi hapana mali.
Sasa hata watu siku hizi wanasoma, wanaenda kwa skuli wanasoma, alafu ndio wanaolewa. Sijui wewe unaona namna gani?
Mimi naona tu natosha kwa na bwana. Mimi nataka hiyo kijana achiu. Vile nataka kwa yeye natosha natoa hiyo ng'ombe mingi. Natosha.
Sasa mimi naona hii maneno afadhali niseme na mtoto. Kama mtoto nakubali, mimi nitakuja kukuambia. Kama anakataa, mimi nakuja kukuambia. Kwa sababu sasa mimi naona hii maneno itakuwa ngumu.
Basi sasa waona alafu utaniambia ile naona.
Haya. Ndio.
Aje dia ada yang boleh sih.
Endito, iko maneno mzuri kwenda badilisha nguo alafu utasema. Okay. Saikati. Kuja.
Ndio mama.
Iko maneno. Maneno mzuri. Unajua yule kijana ya chief? Yeye anaona mtoto yangu. Anasema mtoto yangu anang'ara kama mwezi. Anataka kuoa wewe. Ng'ombe takuja. Mbuzi takuja. Tutakuwa matajiri. Tutakuwa na mali nyingi. Mali takuja ijae hapa.
Mama. Sitaki. Mama sitaki. Mama sitaki.
Aje?
Mimi nataka kuendelea na shule.
Shule? Ai, mtoto yangu. Wewe nataka hiyo mali yote na kwenda wapi?
Nataka kufanya mtihani wangu alafu niendelee nataka kupata kazi, nirudi hapa nikujengee nyumba nzuri. Sitaki.
Wewe najua mjomba yako amekubali hii maneno na amesema huko amekubali. Mjomba yako akisikia hiyo atatoa sisi kwa boma.
Mama tafadhali Mama sitaki kuolewa sasa.
Sasa wewe unaleta maneno gani?
Mama. Tafadhali nisikilize, sitaki kuolewa sasa.
Kwa nini?
Nataka kuendelea na shule.
Sasa wewe utafanya tufukuzwe kwa boma?
Mama nataka kuendelea na shule. Tafadhali mama.
Mjomba yako amekubali. Unataka mimi nifanye nini?
Tafadhali. Mama sitaki, tafadhali ongea naye, mbembeleze, sitaki. Nakuomba mama. Tafadhali mama.
Mzee. Jana kama mtoto nakula, mimi naenda naongea na yeye. Sasa ile yeye alisikia hiyo maneno, yeye anaanza kulia. Anasema hapana anataka kuendelea na shule. Anataka kusoma. Akimaliza afanye mtihani, alafu atafute kazi. Hata kama yeye anaolewa, atakuwa anafanya kazi. Hii mtoto kutoka jana hapa anasema na mimi. Sasa tutafanya nini?
Sasa hii shauri yako. Mimi sijui. Sitaki.
Lakini mzee, unaweza kuona watoto wote wanasoma. Sasa hii bado mtoto kidogo. Si ukubalishe yeye tu aendelee na
shule. Ametosha kuolewa kama hapana sikia. Mimi sitaki. Sijui.
Mzee. Wewe fanya huruma tu mzee. Wewe unaona hii mtoto? Mzee. Monica, habari mtoto wangu.
Nzuri. Shangazi.
Ndito. Umekuwa kubwa.
Sababu nakula.
Na hii wanavaa wapi?
Hii ni peremende ya Auntie Ndai.
Damu.
Tamu.
Dada yangu Nyokavi
amekuwa mnono.
Na yeye natupa sisi.
Niko na zawadi yako kwanza, wacha.
Hii nini?
Hiyo ni inaitwa ni ya kupika chai.
Chai.
Na wewe hii? Shangazi goja. Na Saikati yuko wapi?
Saikati?
Saikati? Saikati. Saikati. Hii ni yako. Na tabu iko wapi?
Hapa iko maneno. Hii mtoto ya kike anataka kuoa Saikati. Ana Saikati hapana. Mimi nasema na yeye hapa anasema na mimi. Sasa kama wewe napatia mimi hii, unaenda kuongea na yeye.
Wacha basi nini nikamuongeleshe, tuone kama atanisikia.
Haya.
Okay, niwekee hizi ndani, narudi.
Jaribu, ona kama wewe atasema.
Saikati! 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 Saikati, why don't you want to talk to me?
Monica, leave me alone.
What's the problem? Is he the chief's son?
So you already know.
It can't be that bad, Saikati.
Monica, it's terrible. I can't marry the chief's son.
Why?
I don't like him.
That is a nice guy.
I don't want to marry the chief's son. I don't like him.
He's a nice man.
Well, I want to go on with my education.
But you can't defy your uncle's wishes. After all, his son has been taking care of you since your father died.
Monica, help me. Help me, Monica. Please.
I think I have an idea. Come with me to Nairobi. Haya, shangazi, hiyo ndio mpango. Jawabu, Saikati hataki kuolewa. Hiyo ndio jawabu peke yake.
Mimi kusikiliza hii maneno, lakini sijui hii maneno itakuwa namna gani.
Shangazi, hiyo ndio mpango. Jawabu tumelipata. Kazi Saikati ataipata.
Na sasa Saikati, wewe, nyinyi wawili ni mtoto wadogo. Nairobi iko watu mingi, mutaishi namna gani?
Niko na kanyumba kadogo, watu wawili wanaweza kuishi.
Na huko Nairobi, watu hapana chokoza wandiko wadogo.
Hapana, hakuna kuchokozana na mimi nitaangalia Saikati.
Yeye anafanya kazi gani?
Si kazi ngumu sana, kazi ya karani, kuandika, kutuma barua hivi.
Iko mshahara?
Mshahara nyingi.
Umesema na yeye?
Ndio, nimeshamuongelesha, hata amefurahi.
Acha mimi naita yeye.
Haya basi mwite.
Saikati, kuja. Sasa hapa iko maneno. Hii maneno Monica anasema, wewe unajua?
Ndio, najua.
Na unakubali?
Ndio, mama.
Saikati, wewe unajua mjomba yako akijua hii maneno atakasirika, mimi na dada yako tutafukuzwa kwenye hii manyata.
Mama, wajua, nikienda nitapata kazi nzuri, nitalipwa pesa nyingi, ndio? Nitalipa pesa nyingi, nitarudi hapa, nitakujengea nyumba nzuri.
Na ng'ombe atakununulia.
Na ng'ombe nitakununulia. Na Ntidai ataendelea na shule.
Kweli?
Ndio mama. Tafadhali wacha
sasa
niende tu.
Monica, wewe chunga huyu.
Nitamchunga shangazi.
Mkitoka kwa boma, sitaki muonekane na mtu yeyote. Asubuhi na mapema muamuke. Hakikisha kwa hapa hakuna mtu, alafu muende.
Asante mama. Asante mama.
Asante shangazi. Haya shangazi, wacha nikachukue mfuko yangu ndio kesho tuende.
Sasa mkienda, sitaki mjomba wako ajue. Muamke mapema muende.
Asante mama. Asante sana mama.
Haya basi acha niende.
Asante sana mama.
Sasa ukumbuke utaenda Nairobi, na ukienda usisahau sisi. Saikati, ukienda Nairobi usiende kutangatanga huko. Kumbuka umewacha mimi hapa na dada yako Ntidai. Baba yako alikufa. Ntidai anataka skuli na mimi iko peke yangu. Kama unaenda usisahau sisi. Na ukienda Mungu akubariki mtoto wangu.
Asante mama.
Chunga yeye sana Monica.
Asante shangazi.
Mwende salama.
Asante tena shangazi.
Haya, nenda hapana, angalia nyuma. Haya, kwaheri.
Now what's the matter?
Monica, will I really be good enough for the job?
Of course, don't worry. You've got all it takes. You see that building? That's Kenyatta Conference Center.
It's a tall building. How do you get up there?
I'll show you later. But it's the tallest building in the city. Now, are you through? Can we go? Fine.
So this is your baby?
Yeah, this is my daughter. She's called Melissa. Isn't she beautiful?
Yes, she is. But there's only one bed. How are we going to fit?
We could share, and anyway, most of the nights I'm not here. So you could be very comfortable.
But how will we fit on the same bed with the baby?
That's no problem. Jane takes care of the baby. Here. Nenda na auntie. Here. Nenda kanunue peremende.
Please tell me more about this job.
First, we have to change the way you look. Well, what do you think? I've got a wig too. Well, how do you like it? Hmm?
Doesn't this look like a wig to you?
No, I think it looks fabulous.
But I thought the red thing looked better.
Which thing?
The red hat.
Fine. You put it on.
This Mr. Brown, is he the one giving me the job?
No, Mr. Williamson. He's a friend of Mr. Brown.
So, how do you get to know Mr. Brown?
Hamish. Well, he's a businessman. He frequents Kenya, and when he's around, we get together. We are meeting them for dinner. He's very nice.
Here's a drink.
Well, what is it?
It's the Krinyaga punch.
Well, what's in it then?
It's pineapple juice, Kenya can, dark rum.
Look, I want light rum in my drink. Change it for me.
Okay.
And just leave it there and go away. Hey, Hamish, how do I look? I bought this as well. For the safari tomorrow, yeah? Keep the sun out my eyes. It's good.
Listen to this. At the turn of the century, Masai territory covered more than 150,000 square kilometres. Now it covers only 1,672. Still quite a lot though, don't you think? Here. Look at
Listen, you see that girl over there?
Yeah.
Would you like to meet her?
Well, we've got to go on safari tomorrow. I've got to read up, find out what we're doing.
No, that's not important. Listen, just, you wait there and I'll go and get her for you. Get me a beer. Cold premium, please.
Well, what did she say? listen, tonight there'll be 2 women and I'm paying, alright? Just you be there on time. What do you mean? I'll be polite. Who's this? Who's this? You'll see tonight. 2 women. Well, I've been reading. It should be really good when we go. The migration's going to be on, so... Well, it looks like I'm not coming. You just stay there. Where did you meet this girl? The Green Bar. But what did you say to her when you first met her? Hello? Hello.
Good evening, ladies. Good evening. Table for 2. We are meeting some friends. Name? Mr. Brown. Mr. Hamish Brown. Yes, he's waiting at the table. Do you mind to follow me? Thank you.
But she's bringing her girlfriend. Yeah, there are 2 tables there. What, should I offer them a drink or something? Just stop asking stupid questions. Yeah, but what do we say when they arrive? Well, there are 4 places laid. Oh look, here they're coming. Charlotte, how are you?
Hi. Hamish, meet my cousin Saikati.
How are you? You well?
Saikati, Hamish Brown. I guess he's your business partner.
Yeah, this is Alex Williams. Hello.
Hello.
Monica. Hello. Roger. Hello. Can I get you a drink?
Sure.
What would you like to drink?
Some milk, please.
Thank you very much. Very kind. Thank you.
Excuse me, please, may I take your order?
Yes, please. What will you have?
The Kenyan bill, please.
I'm a Kenyan bill.
Okay, so can we have 2 Kenyan veals, please?
2 Kenyan bill.
Alex, what will you have? Could you tell me what the catch of the day is, please?
Catch of the day is fillet of sea rock sir.
Codfish. Yes, I'll have that, please.
You have that. Would you like a grill or pan fry?
Grill, please.
Grill. Madam, what would you like?
Can I have some ugali?
I'm afraid we don't have ugali, madam.
Okay, in that case, why don't you try the escargot?
What's that?
Oh, they're snails. They're very, very nice. They're fried with butter and herbs.
Snails.
I don't think you like that.
Okay, in that case, why don't you try the lobster thermidor?
Hamish!
No, that's very nice. That's great. Okay?
So we'll have the lobster thermidor.
Okay.
Here's your meal. Lobster thermidor for you, madam. Paying bill. You have got fish, sir. Thank you.
some orders? No, I don't think so. So damn rude.
Excuse me.
Where are you going?
Oh, you just got their message, please.
Well, they've gone now, haven't they? Listen, don't you worry. You got to your room and everything will be fine. Okay, I'll go out. Well, go on then. Just go now. What, now? Yes, now.
Saikati, what's the matter? You're fine. You're great. And you look beautiful. I think Alex likes you. I could tell from the table. Don't mind about what Hamish says. He derives pleasure from teasing people. Ignore him. After all, he's not the one who is going to give you the job. It's Alex. But first you've got to be nice, kind, and smile at him. Okay? Now give me a good smile. Come on. Saikati, come on. Oh God. Please don't cry. Everything is going to be alright. Come on, don't cry. Please don't cry, Saikati. You're going to be alright. Now here, wipe your tears out. Pull yourself together. You're marvelous. I tell you, I'm so proud of you.
Will I really get that job?
Of course. I told you earlier, you've got all it takes. Now I think you need some lipstick. Here. Now, don't you think you look beautiful? Now, promise me that you're going to be very, very kind to Alex. Promise?
I'll try.
Everything is going to be alright. Now, are you okay? Could we go? Bye.
Yeah, and what are you staring at? What's kept you so long?
Ladies' business.
Yeah, well, for the time being, ladies' business is also mine.
And where is Alex? Is he still rehearsing his lyrics?
He's up in his room. Listen, you go and do your business with him now. Just run along.
Is it written or just oral? Go! It's all up there.
so crude of us.
Your cousin seems very shy.
What makes you say that?
Wow, it's her first time?
Oh.
Saikati, ukienda Nairobi, usiende kutangatanga huko. Kumbuka umewacha mimi hapa na dada yako Jidani. Baba yako what the hell?
Oh, damn.
How can you do this?
Saikati. Saikati. Thank God you're safe. How did you come out of the cold? What happened?
Monica, is this the kind of job you're talking about? Why didn't you tell me?
I was only trying to help. Life is hard for women, Saikati. God, I have no job, no money. Look at Melissa. She's a daughter I would give up the whole world for. Oh God, what do you expect me to do? Creep into a corner for the rest of my life and cry my heart out? I'm not to blame if men make themselves indispensable to us, then they disappear. Take for example Melissa's father. He was nice. We had all the fun. He promised me heavens. I was still in college. Then when he realized that I was pregnant, he disappeared. I tried to look for a job, but no one could offer me one unless I gave them a date. Then one day I met this man. He was kind, sympathetic. We decided to have a good time. In the morning I found a 500 shilling note. I didn't know whether to take it or not. Then I remembered Melissa and I took it. That's how we started a relationship with Hamish. Please understand, Saikati. Oh. Let's go inside. It's getting cold here. You could put on your shoes inside.
I'm sorry. I just want to say I'm sorry. This whole thing is it's all a misunderstanding. I just want you to understand I didn't want to offend you. Please, can you forgive me? Please. Yes, but nothing happened, so what's the problem?
Nothing happened.
There's nothing happened, but I want to go home. Monica, please take me home.
No, please, let me take you home. Listen, I'm sorry, but you booked up a safari tomorrow to the Masai Mara, and I'm not changing my plans. I've done too much for you. Well, I don't care.
She lives in the Masai Mara.
Well, there we go, that's fine. We'll go tomorrow.
Ndidai. Wapi Saikati?
Uliza mama.
Pagidang, coba. Ayah kejar lo malinyi. Ayah sudan. Kira subati oleh. Kira dia katukul. Menyokol lekai. Nyakot rala lo. Kira siyo subati. Kira subati oleh. Yo kulo edo. Hiki ponu dua angkaputi. Inyata ana. Nyakot rala lo. Bakal gua pakai bayi. Kebayi apa? Rasho modwo samoro na tangani nono rugi nya ganda sa
Baba agin to idiye samoro na ndo beraje samoro ramadi
ara do ke ako olesere ara do yogi kibo
Ayo.
Mjomba, vile mvulana wa chifu ameoa Saikati atarudi.
Mimi sijui, sijamfukuza. Akirudi ni sawa.
You don't like that? Yeah, their mouths go so wide.
That's a fast one.
Is that enough?
That's a fast one.
Yeah.
I know, it's beautiful.
Saikati.
Well, look at this crocodile. Get out of the way of that crocodile. That looks a bit nasty.
Saikati, can you see a crocodile?
Yeah.
Are you people afraid of
scary,
crocodiles?
No, I see them all the time.
Look at that. Look at that one. It's amazing when they yawn. Yeah, their mouths go so wide. Hey you guys, there's a balloon safari leaving in 15 minutes. I'm going, you coming. Okay, Alex, you're going to come on the balloon safari. We're leaving in 15 minutes. Yeah. Are you going to come? Okay, so are you coming then?
I thought you're taking me home.
Oh, don't be a spoiled sport.
I mean, what use is going home?
Monica, please, I thought you're taking me home.
Oh, just let's go and have fun for once, Saikati.
Please, Monica.
Once in a lifetime, Saikati.
Please, Monica, I want to go home
Please,
today.
Saikati, let's just go for once.
Hamish, it's not a problem. I can take it back in the truck. I mean, what are you doing out here? What use is going home?
I'm going back to school.
It's ridiculous. Hamish, it's not a problem. I can take her back. It's okay.
Monica, I thought you're taking me home.
Not today. Please, Saikati.
But what do I tell Mama when I go home?
What are you going to be doing at home anyway? What are you doing at home?
Well, I'm going back to school.
Oh, please, Saikati, let's just go and have fun for once.
Monica, Monica, I thought you're taking me
Once
back.
in your life, have
no.
fun.
Monica, you two go.
Monica, please, what do I tell Mama?
Tell her you didn't like the job. Tell her something.
You're not coming to talk to her?
After 1 week, maybe.
I'm sure this is the way.
Really? Let's have a look at the map then.
And those are the Ololo Hills near my home.
According to the map, it says that we go this way. Oh no, look, there's no road now.
You see, I told you. You should have taken the other route. You must have read the map wrongly. Let's try the other road.
Would you believe it? We've now run out of fuel.
It's okay. Don't worry. I know the way home from here. We can go on foot.
Yes, okay then.
Kwani kuna shida?
There must be someone around somewhere.
You wait there, I'll see if I can see anything from here.
Can you see anything up there?
No, there's nothing. I can't see.
There must be someone out there somewhere.
No, we'll have to go on.
Can you see anything?
No, just elephants. Trees and there's nothing. We'll have to go on.
Come down quickly, come down. Where? Okay, hurry up, come quick. Hurry. Are you okay? Are you okay?
I don't know.
Let me see. Hey,
Yeah.
let me see.
No, please, no.
Let me see.
Oh, no,
let me
leave.
see.
No, it's okay. I don't know. It's okay.
Are you sure?
Well, yeah.
Okay. Let me help you up. Let me help you. Are you sure you're okay? Let me see. Let me see. Let me see your foot. Come on, let me see your foot. Okay. Tell me where the thing is. There?
There. It's there.
You must have done something.
I've just pulled a muscle or something. I'll have to rest.
I think I know. My mother taught me something. Let me just stay there. These are going to help you. Definitely. Now, just let me do it.
Quick, this is what we're doing. Elephant, we must go.
Where?
Just there. That should have really killed me. That's no good.
Yule ni nani?
There are rangers coming. Thank God.
Do you have a problem?
Yes, he has injured his foot.
How did it happen?
He fell from a tree while he was looking for help. You see, we ran out of petrol and we had to leave the car way back over there.
We have found your car and we shall assist you.
Monica, come on. Quickly, come on.
No, this is
So you did find education in the balloon after all. Good.
Saikati, don't tell me you've changed your
Come on,
mind.
Alex, let's see how you are.
They can't do without us.
Alex, how are you? Oh, what's happened to your leg? Alex, you wouldn't believe what's happened. What's happened? Oh, we got lost. We ran out of fuel. The Rangers have been over. Is there a problem? No, the car's fine. The car's fine. Why are you still here? I mean, I'm not sure if there's accommodation for you. We got lost. Okay, Alex, so what's happened to your leg? Is it sore? No, it's nothing. It's all right now. The least of our problems. Okay, well, listen, if there's a problem, I'm sure they can assist you with medication. No problem. Okay, well, I'm going to go sit over there. You deal with your accommodation problem, whatever it is. I have a room, Mr. Williamson.
Mr. Williamson? How was it for Mr. Williamson?
Well, I didn't manage to get on safari actually. We had a few problems.
Okay. Like
managed to get lost. Yeah.
That's for one room you've been booked in for?
Okay. Do you have another room? I need another room.
No, I'm sorry, we don't have any room. I just have one room and it's a twin-bedded room.
Well, you must have some kind of special room put aside, perhaps?
What do you mean?
A room put aside for
No,
anything.
I'm sorry.
No? What, nothing? You don't even have any room?
No, I'm very sorry. Alex, that's okay. Saikati and I could share a room.
Oh, that'd be fine.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
No, sorry. Do I hear that there's going to be sharing room with the two ladies? This is completely out of the question. Now, putting my foot down right now. Hamish, it's one night. One night. No, sorry. Obviously, there's a problem with accommodation in the hotel. You did not inform them that you're having a guest. I mean, yes, you didn't even inform me. Just for one night. I refuse. It's out of the question. Okay, I'll solve your accommodation problem. There'll be one double for the two of us, and there'll be a twin for these two. Yeah. That's
nice.
very kind.
Thank
you. No, shh. Don't be rude, okay? We'll have to. That's very kind. Thank you very much. I'll see you in about 15 minutes at the table. Okay, this is downstairs. Yeah, well, yeah. What are you? Cool. Number 4, that's it there. Right. We'll see you in 15 minutes, okay? No problem. Dinner will be ready. In about half an hour. Right. Well, we're going to the bar. Okay? We'll stay. I don't suppose you're coming. No, we'll stay here. You can stay and make polite conversation. And we're going to the bar. Come on. Then I'll get you. Listen, please don't feel badly towards me. No, I didn't want to share this room. You understand me? Yeah, I mean, that's just the way it is. You know, I won't touch you tonight. And I mean, tomorrow I'll take you back to your village. You can go home and you can forget all about this. That's what you want.
Excuse me.
Hello, anyone sitting here?
Sorry, no.
My name's Kay.
Hi, Alex.
Alex, where are you from, Alex?
England.
England, well done. I'm Australian.
Australia.
Yeah. You done any safari?
Yeah, sort of, yeah.
Sort of, yeah. Okay.
Hey, yourself?
Yeah, I've been on quite a few. Yeah. What about you?
Oh, yeah, I've seen quite a lot, yeah.
Yeah, talking about close encounters, yeah. I was travelling through Amboseli National Park in a minibus and we were looking at these rhinos. And the bus wasn't a very good bus, so you couldn't count on it. And we were attacked by this rhino. It started charging our bus. I was sort of in the side where the bus was actually facing.
Yeah,
I was thinking, oh my goodness, it's going to stick its horn right through where I was standing. So I was a little bit worried about that.
Yeah.
I got
pretty
some
well,
very good
that
shots.
Hey, where are you going? What's the matter?
Nothing.
Well, why didn't you come sit down?
That woman. The way she was looking at me. It's like she was telling me to go away or something. Like I was cheap. Because I'm black and she's white.
Hey, don't be silly. That doesn't matter. That doesn't matter to me. What matters is that you're my friend. I don't care what colour you are. Come on, come and sit down. Come on.
Well, I didn't expect you to think that way.
I'm just sorry that she made you feel like that. I hope you understand now that those things don't matter. You don't have to go tomorrow, you know?
I must. You see, the only reason why I went to Nairobi anyway was because I was trying to run away from things. I found out that my uncle wanted me to marry the chief's son. I don't love the chief's son. I don't feel anything for him. Monica promised me a job in Nairobi. But I guess I've realized that I have to go back. I've just got to finish my education. I want to become a doctor.
Well, I don't know what to say. You see, I came to Kenya to escape. I had some things to think about. You know, there's a girl I've known for a long time. Well, things just didn't really work out.
Sorry about that. What are you going to do? What are you going to do about it?
Well, I've got time to think now. Well, I think I can sort it out now.
Sorry.
Yes, this is my home. And I must go now. But before I go, I must give you something. All of these mean something to me. They're all very special. This means wealth. This, fertility. This is the sun that guides me in the day. And
This is the moon that guides me in the night, and the keeper of all my dreams. This is for you. Keep it. I must go now.
You must.
Goodbye, Alex.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Saikati! Saikati! Saikati!
Saikati amekuja. Unasikia Saikati amekuja? Saikati amekuja. Yuko wapi?
Yuko nje anakuja.
Ako wapi?
Ako pale anakuja.
Na nani?
Sijui.
Umemwona anakimbia ama anatembea polepole?
Anatembea polepole.
Mtoto yangu. Yuko wapi?
Yuko anakuja.
Unakuja na nani?
Sijui.
Yoi, Saikati. Saikati anakuja. Nenda kwa na bomu peke yake. Saikati. Mmekuja. Naidia. Unataka dia ngapi?
Alex, stop staring there like a stuffed turkey.